Assalamualaikum sir, myself Mantasha Mariam.
Walaikum Assalam, beta. How are you?
Sir, we are fine, alhamdulillah. Sir, we are fine, alhamdulillah.
MashaAllah, beta. Yes. Walaikum Assalam. Join quickly. Walaikum Assalam.
Sir, we will start
Yes.
chapter number 6, decimal. Sir,
Yes.
I have watched the video yesterday.
Okay, very good, beta. Who watched the video? Who is saying? Let me see.
Sir, I have watched decimal, understanding decimal.
Okay. How many students saw the video which I posted yesterday?
Sir, I have seen the video.
I posted a video on decimal.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum Assalam, beta.
I
Turn
have
on.
watched the video.
Okay. Very good, mashallah. Yes, Isma, you watched the video? You are not listening. Is I audible to you?
Sir, you are
Yes.
audible.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum, sir. Myself
Walaikum
Zainab
Assalam.
Nasser.
So, in decimal, okay, it is very easy as well
Yes,
as
sir. It,
Sir, what is today's topic?
today's topic, beta.
Decimal.
You did,
Decimal.
beta, you didn't read the message which I posted yesterday. Huh? I think you also didn't watch the video on decimal which I posted yesterday.
sir, on IMS, the video
Assalamualaikum, sir. I'm Sadish was.
in YouTube.
Walaikum Assalam, Sharish beta. So, okay. So tell me fast what you have saw in that video, what you have learned from that video.
So the video was not working. When I was clicking it, first it was taking time, and then I was getting back again.
About how to represent decimal.
How to represent a decimal, or we can say that in that video.
Sir, we represent a decimal in point.
Okay. Okay.
In
So
the decimal, we
open
it a dot.
open page number 90. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's very good. Okay. So here we can say that suppose that is my screen is visible?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, let me check once again.
Yes, sir. Now it is visible. Yes, sir, it is visible.
Okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
mashallah.
Now it is visible.
Okay. So suppose that if we want to write 53, okay, let me the font is the font. Now is it visible clearly? Okay, 53.
Yes.
So this can be,
Yes, sir.
I think this can be written as 50 plus 3. Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
let me ask something that tells me whether you see the video or not.
Okay.
Okay. So listen to me. Yes, boys. How many boys watch the video?
So I have watched just now only. Sir, my net was finished.
Okay. So where do you
I
have
have
seen?
downloaded.
Okay, very good.
Sir, yes.
Where you?
It is not visible.
Better mute everyone. I'm asking where you seen decimal? Do you seen it decimal in number system or any digits? For
Yes,
example,
sir.
Okay. Where you get the experience of a decimal? Where you see it?
Sir, on a grocery
Grocery. Okay. When you went to the
or in the
market,
market
okay,
also.
when you're going to purchase something, some item, and on MRP something is written that it is 99.9 and 50.5
Yes, sir.
paisa, 50 point
Sir, your voice is
something.
not coming.
The points are written in that.
Okay. So you can also see that when you go to the doctor, okay, and if you have fever, if you had
Yes,
fever,
sir. In video, it was telling that
ah,
if we go to the doctor and tell the how much Fahrenheit
temperature
we
you are
have
having.
fever, like 99.2, like this.
Okay. So this point is called decimal. Okay. So and the whole
Yes.
thing is called the. Beta Rashid Ali, why you open the camera?
Sir, by mistake. I'm opening my. Sir,
Submit
Okay.
page number
please
83,
show your
84, 85.
Yes, beta.
Sir, you have
Page number
assignment
91.
on 11 June till 11 June.
Beta, you have to submit tomorrow. Okay, in PDF form.
Okay, sir.
Chapter fraction.
Sir, what the chapter section?
Yes, all exercises and review exercises of chapter fraction. Okay, whatever the exercises I am given to you, I have assigned.
Yes, sir.
See on the
Okay,
app.
sir.
Okay, page numbers are written. Okay, so is it clear?
Tomorrow we are having maths test.
No, beta.
Sir, today our physics test, na?
Yes, what are you saying?
Yes, sir. Today's physics test.
Today's physics test.
Today's physics chapter
Yes,
1.
today's.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Today's physics test of chapter number 1.
It is
easy chapter. So it is easy
Beta,
chapter.
beta,
So you will take
beta,
chapter 2 also?
no, listen, this is maths class. So discuss about maths. Yes, only first one chapter. All
Sir, you do about that.
everything I mentioned, what is coming, what chapter is coming. So continue on maths. Okay.
Yes.
Come back to mathematics. So
Sir,
these things.
show your screen because I'm not having book?
Okay, I share the page. Okay. I WhatsApp the page right now. Who is saying this?
Sir, 20 and you there.
You didn't purchase the book? Beta, you didn't purchase the book?
I?
Who has do not have the book?
Sir, I am having.
Sir, I have.
Okay, very good. Okay,
Sir,
listen
I
to
have.
listen, beta,
Sir,
listen to
can you
me.
please tell me the time when you will take that physics?
Beta,
Yes.
In
physics is
period.
physics period, beta. Beta, continue on page. Okay, I'm not giving any reply regarding physics. Continue on mathematics.
Sir,
Okay.
please start the chapter.
Okay. So listen this in the video also. That if you write 55 divided by, or we can say that 7 by 10. Okay, 7 divided by 10. So it can be written as, how it can be written as in decimal?
Sir, please can't divide.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta, what happened?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir,
It
7
is
upon 10.
decimal.
7 upon 10 is written, and in fraction what you have seen, how it is written?
7.10.
7.10.
0.7.
0.7. Oh, sorry. 0.7. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. It is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Because sir, we will divide by 7.
Okay, we divide it.
Outer area will
Basically,
write.
0 that 0. 0 will come. 7 will
First
come.
of-
7
first-
7 will come.
remember, and if it is written like this, 7 if it is written like this, 7 divided by 100, then what will be the answer?
0.07.
Sir,
It will be
0.07.
0.07.
Sir, 0.07.
Sir, we
Oh,
have
very good,
I
mashallah.
have done correct.
So listen to me first. If there is zeros, 10, 100,000, okay, in denominator.
Right? Where is TV chapter?
Yes, beta.
It's TV chapter where he was.
Okay. Very good. So beta, listen to me. If there is 10, 100 and 1,000, okay, like such number in the denominators, then what you have to do? This is very easy. If there is 1
2
zero,
0.
if there is 1 0,
2 0 will come. 2
Yes.
0 will come
Yes,
and
sir.
point.
just count, just for, listen, just for your convenience.
1000 only, sir.
Yes, beta,
Sir,
listen to
what house?
Listen to me, beta. If there is 10, if there is 100 in the denominator, so for your easiness, okay, what you have to do immediately, you just put the decimal. If the 1 0, you put one, you put
Yes.
one decimal. You put one decimal, okay, means after 1 0, you put decimal and then add the number, then add the date, okay. If there are 2 zeros, then after the decimal, 2 digits, and first digit there will be 0, and on the second digit there will be the number which is given on the numerator.
Okay,
As
sir.
beta, turn off the camera. Who is camera is on?
Sir,
Beta, turn off the camera.
got it in Tamil chapter. Sir, in
Sir, by
in
mistake.
sir, got it. We have 32.
7 upon 100 is equals to 7.
So we have
0.07.
Sir, everyone speaking, your voice is not coming.
Beta, okay, I write 3 names already. Okay, so you are not you are not following the instructions. So if I found anyone.
Sir, my name also.
Yes, you also, because you opened the cameras 2 or 3 times earlier also.
Sir, I by mistake. Sir, by
Beta, quiet,
mistake it's open.
okay, quiet. Beta, quiet and turn off your mic and listen to me. Okay, go to page number 91. There is a table there. Okay, you can see that table. And the table, there are several columns. 6 on the first column, there is written over numbers. In the second column, 1,000, hundreds, tens, ones, tenth, hundredth, and thousandth. Okay, okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so listen to me. In the first column of the table,
Sir, your voice is not coming.
okay, I'm writing, see it on the board. My board is sharing to you or not?
Yes, it is. Sir, it is.
Yes, sir. It is.
Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
visible?
Yes, sir. Visible.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Go to page number 91. Okay, 91. Okay, there is written as 625.48. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
we know that
Yes, sir.
6 comes at what place? 6 comes at 100 place.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
100 place.
okay, so 6.
Sir, I want to see it.
No,
Yes,
sir.
beta.
6.
2 come at 10 place. 5 come at 1 place.
Okay, beta,
And 4
beta,
come
listen,
at
listen to me.
10
Sir,
You-
everyone speaking.
Beta, listen to me. And again, you are not following. Okay, then I put the conditions. Okay, if you are not following instructions, then I take some action. Okay, so 625. Just first of all, see the decimal, where decimal is written. Okay, decimal is written, and decimal divides the number in 2 forms. Okay, 625 is written on the right side. on the left side of the decimal, and 48 is written on the right side of the decimal. Okay. So on the left side, 5 comes at which place? 1's place or 10's place?
10th place.
Sir, one place.
5
one
place. Beta, which
One
1's
place.
place?
1 is and 4 is 10th place.
Beta, I am saying that
So it's common 10th place.
5,
One place.
listen, 5 is coming at 1's place. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
on
sir.
the left side. Yes.
And similarly, 2 is comes at 10th
10th
place.
place.
10th place.
And 6 is coming as
100.
100
100.
place. So,
800 place.
okay, very good. So, in this way, on the left hand side of the decimal, we can do like this. And on the right hand side of the decimal, we can do like,
Sir, it's 10.
Sir,
Sir,
4
10th
is at the 10th place and 8 is at the
And
100th
it
place.
is-
Sir, it is on the 10th place.
okay, let's unmute everyone. 4th comes at 10th place. Okay. And 8 comes at 100th place.
100th place.
Okay, so
Yes,
don't
sir.
confuse with 100 and 100th. Okay. So
Yes,
600 is written, it can be written as 600 plus 2 comes
600
at
and
10th
20.
place. So 2,
20.
20,
20,500.
and
5.
5.
No, 21, 20 tens and 5.
Okay, is it clear till now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then 4 comes at 1 upon 10th. Yeah.
4 by 10.
40.
Okay, so 4
40.
By 10.
by 10.
By 10.
Okay,
Plus,
plus,
plus
4 by
8 upon 100.
8 by 100.
8 upon 100.
okay,
100.
8 by
By 100.
100. Is it
So
clear?
now we have to add it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, when you add it, this part, this part become your
625.
25.
this part become your 625. Okay,
So then
And,
decimal.
and what about the remaining thing?
Sir,
Uh,
that will be equal to 48 upon 100. 48 upon 100. 48 upon 100.
Will become your,
No, sir.
listen to me,
48 upon 100.
625 point.
it will
Wait.
become
48 upon 100.
48 upon 100.
48 upon 100.
0.48. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay.
So
When
this
you,
is-
okay, when you add
Yes,
it,
sir. Sir, it is also correct. That is also correct, na?
yes,
Section form also.
also that form also. Is it clear?
Sir, in fraction form also it is correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So the 0 will be removed.
When you add it, okay, 625, okay, because 0, when we add with 5, it will remain 5. Is it clear? Then what happened? It will become your 625.
Sir, it will become 625.48.
Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So, in this way, you can also open page number 92. And,
Okay, sir.
okay,
Okay, okay, sir.
okay. So, this can be,
Sir, which page number we have to open?
you have to open 92.
48. So it will be wrong.
Okay, sir.
Yes, yes.
We will pronounce it like this. 625.48.
What happened? Beta, mute everyone.
Yes, sir. We have opened.
Yes, sir. We have opened it.
Okay. So,
Sir, I have opened.
okay. Read. Okay, there is an example on example 4 on page
Sir,
number 2.
there is example. Sir, there is example 3 also.
Okay. First, read
Sir,
example
in
3,
which page? Sir, in which page?
page 92.
Page number
I have
92.
read.
Go through example 4. 4 and 3 and 4.
Okay, sir. 3 and 4.
And tell me if you have any
Sir,
problem,
three-
please tell
You
me.
have to write decimal numbers.
Okay. Decimal numbers are given. You have to write in words. Okay. First one is given as your 37.08. Okay. So what you have written?
So I can tell 37.08.
Yes.
Sir, 37.08.
It will be 37.08.
37.08.
Mute. First of all, mute everyone.
Sir, I want to ask that we have to do exercise number 6.1.
Beta,
Yeah, fill example 4.
Beta, I am just telling you, it is written on the screen also, example 3 and 4. Just go through it. And if you are having some doubt, please ask me.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And in second part, it is written as 4620.685. So what you have to write? You have to write the number in words.
So I will send you the direct message from the chat box
Okay, I'll see.
of answers.
Sir,
Yes.
can you send me?
Yes, beta. Yes, beta, who is saying?
Sir, I am saying that sometimes some people say that 625.48. So it will be wrong. So it will be pronounced it like this 625.48.
625.48.
Yes, sir. Sir, some people say that 48. After
Beta, listen to me. 625.48 is also correct, and 625.48 is also correct. Okay. So what
Sir,
we have?
sir, actually,
Yes.
Sir, please,
Sir,
sir,
phone
please
before
send page number
I asked
92
sir,
at the
sir, what
WhatsApp
is
group.
92.
5.48.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You can separately say that.
Sir, what we have to do in exercise 3
Beta,
and 4?
Beta, listen to me first. Okay. So if we say that 6, you see, if 125 is written, so something someone says it's 125. Okay. And someone is saying is 125. So both the ways correct. Is it clear? Beta, these are
Yes,
the
sir.
okay. Very good question. And these are the small doubts. Okay, so clear all your doubts.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So yes, student, this is decimals and production of decimals. Clear to you, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, mashallah.
Yes, sir, clear.
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. So there is a question on page number 93, question number 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Where?
sir. Yes, sir, it is here.
Got it? On page.
Yes, sir. Representation on the number line. Sir, representation on the number line.
No, beta, write each of the following decimal in expanded
Oh,
form.
next form.
Yes, the last one question.
Sir, we
Fourth one.
know it.
Sir, I cannot understand this. Write each of the following in expanded form.
Sir, we have to
Sir,
write this decimal in expanded form.
Expanded form. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir,
so-
it is clear.
So
Question
please do it right now and submit to me.
Sir, on your personal number.
Yes, yes.
Sir, I want to ask that I have studied question number 4. Write the each of the following as decimal.
Write each of the following as decimal. Beta, just now I told you, listen to me. First, I clear this thing. Okay. Who's going?
me the
Yes, beta, number, tell me.
yes, sir?
You are saying something?
No, sir, I'm not saying.
Okay. So,
was saying.
yes. So, yes, beta.
Sir, can you send me the question that is on page number 93 that you are saying that submit on my personal number? Can you send me the question?
Okay, okay. I would say, give me your number. You WhatsApp me. Okay, because I didn't save your number by name.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So just I told you to how to write 625.48. Okay, I write in expanded form. So this in this question, in question number 4, expanded form is given to you, and you have to compress it and make it into decimal. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir, what we have to do in what one question?
first of all, do question number 2 and submit to me right now.
Sir,
Sir, right now.
sir, can you explain one?
Sir, question number 2, write each of the following in expanded form.
Yes.
Sir, can you explain, sir, one?
Question number 1 from the
Can you
following places.
explain one?
Yes, beta, this question is just same as question number 4.
Sir, we have to only do
Example.
question number 2 and send to you, or it's just all the whole exercise?
Beta, you have listen. When I assign you this exercise, then you have to submit on the app. Okay. Right now, on the class, in the class, you have to do the questions as a classwork. Beta, mute
Sir, how to
everyone.
do in expanded form this following decimal? Sir, can you tell the one?
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir, please tell
Listen.
one.
Listen to me first. Okay. Suppose this is you are seeing my screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Sir,
625.
I just send you a message on your personal
Okay.
number.
Okay, Zainab. I saw it. Okay, Zainab, I sent to you. You saw it. Check it. Okay. As this is written 625.48. Okay, in decimal, and this red and yellow, this is the expanded form of this decimal. Okay, this number 625.48. Okay. Now in the question, this expanded form is given to you. Okay, is it clear? You have to make a number in like this. Is it clear to everyone? This
Yes,
is
sir.
you have to do in question number 4. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir, in question number 2, like this only we have to do. We have highlighted that
Yes, yes.
one.
The part which I am highlighted, this format is given the question. Okay. Then you have
Sir,
to,
we can, sir, in
Sir, like this.
6.1 second question, sir, here asking write each of the following decimal in expanded form. Sir, like first question is 16.3.
beta, listen.
345. Sir, here we have to write like this: 10 plus 6 plus 3 upon 10 plus 4 upon 100 plus 5 upon 1000.
Which question beta you are telling to me?
Third second exercise 6.1 second question, sir. First part.
Exercise
Sir, on page
6.1.
number 93.
Okay, okay. In the expanded form, yes. Just as I am showing to you on the screen. Okay. This way you have to do. Okay, like this 625 is a condensed form. Okay, you have to expand in this way. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. It is clear now.
Okay. So do it fast. Yes, do it fast and submit it to me. No one has submitted.
Sir, I have to do.
Submitting, sir. I'm going.
Sorry.
Submitting, sir.
Sir. Sir.
Yes, beta, tell me.
I don't know it. Yeah, I have to do only one question.
No, beta, in the class, please do the question, and also I'm discussing so that in the assignment that you are doing, when the assignment is you are doing, then at that time you don't have any question and then any confusion.
Sir, we have to do only one question.
Only, beta, continue 1, 2, 3, 4. Whatever you are doing in the period, continue. And in the assignment, do full exercise 6.1.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Only one student sent me Shahriz Shanawaz the question number. Okay, he completed question number 2 and sent it to me. Yes,
Sir,
boys,
I'm sending. Wait a minute.
send me whatever you are doing. Questions, send it to me. Okay, students.
Sir, I'm sending.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have submitted it to you.
Okay. And in expanded form also you can draw this thing. This table is as it is given. Okay. Number you have to write number 10,000 and 100 and tens. In this way you can also
Sir, I
do
am
it.
done, sir. Where I have to send
All my number, beta.
the personal number?
Yes, beta. Listen, all the assignment, all the questions which I'm discussing in the class, submit on my number. Okay. Yes, only one student.
Sir, I've sent it.
Let me check. Yes, Farhan Ayatullah, come. Okay, 600. Okay, good. Okay. So, beta, listen, Farhan. Farhan.
Yes, sir.
Beta, this is also right. Okay. And you can also draw the table as it given on in example number 4. Okay, you can do like this also. And this is also the way question number, go to page number 91, example number 2.
Sample number 2. Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay, just as
Sir,
okay, this
sir,
is also,
so
this
we
is
can
also,
write only
Farhan,
answer?
listen, quite
Sir, I
everyone,
didn't like that.
quite
Sir, we
everyone.
can write only answer.
No, beta, in mathematics, you have to see, you have to complete the procedure also. Okay, the steps, the method. Farhan, is it clear? This is also the
Yes,
way,
sir.
and this table you can also make. Okay, so you should know both the
Okay,
ways
sir.
also.
Sir, I have to do it again.
Yes, what are you saying?
Yeah, I have to do it again.
No, no. On next part, you can do like this. Okay, as I told you in the table form.
Yes, sir.
Yes, only Farhan from boys side, only Farhan message has come. Carry Shanawaz, only 2 students. Yes, what happened to other boys and girls? Yes, are you sending me solution? Are you getting the exercise? You understand
I'm
this thing?
asking. Sir, I'm asking that in question number 2 there is one 2 second. So I want to set 7.003 there. So sir, I have problem. We have to write 0 also. Huh?
Exactly, beta, because you have either you have to write 0
Sir,
or
I have
leave it.
submitted.
Then only 3. Just write 3 and at what places 3 comes. Okay.
Sir, Sir, I have submitted on your
And if
personal
you
number.
okay, and if you made a table, then at tables you have to mention zeros place also. Okay, as written on page number 91.
Yes, sir, I am doing
Exam-
exercise
Listen to me.
6.1.
Example 91. Sorry, on page 91 there is example 2. Okay, 30.006. So you have to also mention the position of zeros if you are writing in table form. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, please check it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Shailesh, you send me correct. And beta,
Yes,
remember, remember this thing and try to make table also, because this is one of the method. This method is correct. Okay, and because when zero comes, okay, then this table is very helpful. Okay, like this, and question number 2, second part, 7.003. Okay, so try to make table in the table form.
I have done in
Do
both
this
ways.
question in
Sir,
table
if we
form.
will do whole exercise, so
I
we
have
will
done
make the
in both
table.
ways.
Okay, so you should know
Sir,
both
I have
the.
submitted.
You
Have you
should.
got my work?
Okay, I'm saying it. Mantasha. Okay, Mantasha. Is it clear? Is it good? And also, beta, do this also in table form. Everyone do this question number 2 in table form also.
Then I will do whole exercise, so I will write in table form.
Okay. Okay, beta. Please try to do this exercise in table form. In this way, you can cross check. This is the shortest way. Okay. In this way, you can check whether you do it right, correct or not.
Sir, I'm not understanding this first question. From the following place value, write the decimal numbers. Yes, how we
Sir,
have
I
to write.
am.
Okay, it's good. It's correct.
Sir, please explain. There is 2.1 question number 1. I'm not understanding.
8 upon 3 1 upon 1000.
Sir, I have sent my answer.
Okay,
Question
Mantasha.
answer.
Okay.
Sir, please check my Ahmedin Abdullah done.
Ahmad, what happened to your
please send-
copy? What happened to your copy? What happened to your page? You crumbled the page.
Sir, please tell me question number 1.
Sir, no.
Question number 1.
Sir, why is correct?
From the following place value table, write the decimal number.
We
Okay.
have to write that numbers decimal which are there in the boxes.
Okay. There.
Sir,
Listen.
my question answer is correct. Ahmedin Abdullah.
Sir, I have sent
Ahmad
my
Ali.
answer on your personal number.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Beta, you have written 700. How is 700? 7.06. It is not correct. Okay, correct it, and send me again.
Sir, you have to write 7 only, no?
Yes, only remember decimal point is the separation of right hand side digits and left hand side digits. Okay, on the left hand side digits and right hand side digits, which is get divided, separated by using decimal.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
please check my answer.
Okay, wait. Mantasha, in the last question, you write 49. And when you doing solution, you write 40 plus 9 plus 8 upon 10. Is it sure 8 upon 10 will be there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. And
Yes,
do
sir. 8 up 10.
yes,
It
it's
is
correct.
in
It's correct,
place.
Mantasha. Yes, it's correct. So, beta, today's thing is clear to you, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Please check my work.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please be ready. Get your work completed by tomorrow, inshallah. and submit your copy in PDF form. I am again saying do not take photograph, just make a PDF also. Okay, beta? Yes, Zainab,
Okay,
beta,
sir.
tell me fast. Meeting is about to finish in within few seconds.
Yes,